Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows security blank in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go register editor. Click on register editor. Click on S. Double click on HKEY local machine. Then double click on system. Double click on current control chart. Double click on services. Then double click on security health services. Right click on start. Click on modify. Here you type value data 3. Then click on OK. After doing this, close this window. Right click on start menu. Then click on Windows Terminal Admin. Click on S. Then copy and paste this command. This command available on my video description. Copy and paste. Copy and paste here. Then hit enter. After doing this, close this window. Then close this window. After doing this, restart your PC and laptop fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.